Yo, what up, guys? Producer Katie here once again. So, basically, today I'll be walking you guys through 5 Afrobeat drum patterns that will always get you started whenever you want to make your Afrobeat drums. So, without wasting your time, let's dive into the video.
Katie.
So, our first Afrobeat drum pattern is called the soft Afrobeat bounce. So, it's one of the most popular Afrobeat bounce that you might have heard in so many songs in Nigeria today, both outside, because many producers outside the country now make Afrobeats. So I call it the soft Afrobeat bounce, and it goes like this. We have it in the 1, and 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And so it's already giving us that Afrobeat bounce. Then the second most important source that gives it that groove is the kick, the steady kick, soft steady kick. Consider it's already sounding groovy. Like with this, you are good to go. Like you are just so good to go. So whatever thing you are adding along the line, whatever you are adding in the process, is just you being creative. So with this now, you can just go ahead and add more percussions, be creative with it. Like you just make a banger. So I'm going to add one more percussion and we are done with this. So I'm going to add this our drum, this our first drum to a melody. See, yeah, it sounds like. Let me search for a random melody.
A few moments later.
So that's our first Afrobeat drum pattern I'm going to be showing you today. So our second Afrobeat drum pattern, I call it the reggae dancehall type bounce. You get. So first, I started with this. Let me honor my metronome. With this, that's already giving you that reggae bounce. Pa, 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 pa. Then what next? You add your kick. See your 4-step kick. So you can see already sounding groovy. Like anybody that hears this, no, I don't know, that person must dance. Like person got move body. You feel me? So after that, whatever you're adding along the line is just you being creative again. Like you're just trying to make your own sound different, do some things on that, add more percussions, and you just make a banger. So I added this shaker. This is how I did it. Let me take everything off so you see how I did it. I just took the 2 then I duplicated. Let me bring that down. Then I added these 2 percussion here. So like with this, you're already good to go. You can make good music with this bounce. Just get creative with the bounce, add more percussions, do whatever comes to your mind, be free, and trust me, you're going to make something amazing. So let me add this drum bounce to the to our drum, to our melody. I'll mute this one. Wow, this is actually amazing. Like sounding pretty nice. So this is the fourth one. I call it the Afro UK bounce. It's giving that Wizkid vibe, that Wizkid type of beat. So let me take it back. So I'm going to take all this off. So I'll show you how I did it. So I started with the kick. Then I added the instant. So I added another rim here, like I kind of like made that place different. Then I did the same thing. So I'll just copy the kick and paste. So let's give it that same bounce. So same thing for this one. Then I added the snare. Then I added this hi-hat here. Then I added this another hi-hat to give it like a swing. So let me show you how I did this one. I picked 1/4 step. Okay. Yeah. And I just added it down at the front. So that's how I was able to get this bounce. So you can see it's sounding like pretty nice, pretty sweet. With this, you are like good to go. So I'm going to add this bounce to our melody, just as yeah, it's gonna sound. You can hear how nice it's already sounding like. So with this, you can make mad cool music with this Afrobeat bounce. It's just for you to get creative, add more percussions, be creative with your work, be creative with those drums. This is just like an head start for you as a producer, as a beginner that wants to make good Afrobeat drums. I'm sure this video is going to like help you scale through with that. So without wasting our time, let's dive into the fourth Afrobeat drum bounce I'll be showing you guys today. And the I call it the should I say what should I call it? I call it the Ghanaian Afro bounce. So you always have something like this. Let me play it. Let me take it back. Yeah. So you can see this one is kind of like the first one I did, but there's a difference. Instead of me putting this one here like this, so I took it like 2 steps forward. Then the kick is always the source. So once you add your first step kick, you're good to go. Yeah. Can you hear how sweet it's already sounding? Like with this bounce, trust me, you're going to make bangers with this bounce. So you could just decide to add more percussion, get creative with the drums, do as many things as you want to do. But I'm sure with this particular bounce, you are good to go with your Afrobeat drums. So let's add this particular drum we just made to that melody we have before. So I'll just bring it in. Let me mute this one. Let's see how it's going to sound. Are you ready to hear it? All right, let's hear it. So that's just it. There is something amazing. So let's dive into our last Afrobeat drum pattern I'll be showing you guys for today. So this one, it sounds just like the last one we did. It sounds just exactly like this one, but there's a slight difference with the rim shot. So instead of me to put this one here, so it'd be like pa. I just took it one forward. I took one forward. I jumped one, and it gave it this groove. You can hear that, like sounding like very, very awesome already. Just two drums, and you already have the bounce. So everything you're just going to be doing after this one is just you being creative, like I've been saying. Could just add more percussions from here, but with these 2 things laid down, trust me, you are good to go. So let's see how it's going to sound with our melody. Okay, guys, if you stay to this point and you know you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to, click on that subscription button, and don't forget to turn on the notification button to always be the first person to get notified, so that other people that also wants videos like this video can also reach them, because your subscription and your like also matters. Thank you. Peace.